Alright, today I'm going to show you just how to add gas struts to your Pelican Vault V730. So let's get into it. Alright guys, as always, links to all the products we'll need are down below. But the first thing we got to do is get rid of all this foam. So once we have all the foam removed, we're going to then measure 1.25 inches off of this first nub all the way to the second nub right before getting past it. Make a mark. We're then going to go ahead and take our T-square and draw a line down, and then we're going to measure down 3/8 of an inch and mark another line where they intersect. Next, we're going to take our 3/8 inch Forstner bit and we're going to go ahead and start to drill. Now you don't want to drill through the case with this. You're only trying to make an indentation for the ball stud to actually fit into. Next, go ahead and test fit your ball stud mount. Make sure it sits flush against the wall. And we're going to mark the holes that we're going to ultimately drill out. And then once you have the holes drilled out, you should have something that looks like this. So next what we're going to do is we're actually going to start to caulk the side of the case. So we're going to go ahead and apply some black caulk to the side. You could use clear here as well. I happen to have black lying around. So we're going to put it in the holes. Next we're going to put the back plate on and start to feed the rivets from the outside in through the caulk. Once the rivets are fed through, we're going to go ahead and use our Pop Rivet gun and pop all these rivets off so that they're into place. Next, we're going to build our back plates for our top mounts for the lid. So we're just going to take some 3/8 inch aluminum and cut some strips into it that are the size of the actual brackets. So you should have something that looks like this. And we're going to go ahead and punch 2 holes in them so that way they line up on the exterior of the case. After these have the holes in them, go ahead and give them a coat of paint so that they'll match the black exterior of the case. So next, on the side closest to the hinge, we're going to go ahead and measure down 1.25 inches from that crease that was just highlighted. And we're going to butt up our ball stud against that and mark the 2 holes for it. You'll notice that the ball stud is facing the outside wall of the top lid. One thing I forgot to mention is that these are 3/16 holes that we drilled. So we're going to disassemble our ball stud mount from the gas strut, and we're actually going to attach it now before we attach this bracket to the actual case lid. If you try to do this after the fact, you won't be able to get it in because it's a very tight fit. So again, we're going to caulk the lid. You don't have to use this much caulk, just use it in the holes. I don't know what I was thinking here, but go ahead and feed the rivets through. Next, we're going to put the ball stud bracket back on the inside of the case onto the rivets now, and then pop them off, and this side will be all set. Now that our ball studs are attached, we can reattach the thread for the actual gas strut, and we'll just need to attach it on the base of the case like so, and you're all done. Awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions on how to put these on your Vault V730, please go ahead and just shoot me a message down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And a couple things I just want to call out real quick. When you do this to your case, just be aware that since this plastic is pretty flexible, it will flex out the sides a little bit. And as you saw before, I can still push down, pinch in, and it stays. So good luck with setting it up, and if you want a detailed view into how to do this, go ahead and check out the website below, blackcoattaco.com, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!